Welcome to Servco Toyota Windward service. We're located in Kaneohe, across from Windward City Shopping Center at the intersection of Kamehameha Highway and Kaneohe Bay Drive. To enter our service department, if driving northbound on Kamehameha Highway, turn right into our driveway. Follow the directional signs to our service drive. You'll be greeted by a service advisor who will conduct a vehicle walkaround and then confirm the services to be provided. Every factory recommended maintenance service is performed by our certified Toyota technicians. These services include a multi-point inspection and DriveSure vehicle benefits for your added protection. Our customer lounge is located to the right of the service drive. You may wait here while your vehicle is being serviced. You may also visit our parts department, located across from our customer lounge. You can order tires and genuine parts or browse our newly accessorized vehicles. Or use our complimentary shuttle service, available Monday through Saturday, covering the Kaneohe through Kailua areas. When your vehicle is ready for pickup, we'll contact you. Payment can be made securely using your mobile device or in person with our cashier. Once complete, you're all set and ready to go. Mahalo for being a loyal Toyota owner and for trusting us with your automotive needs.